Italian Wine Travel with Stevie Kim.
Okay, ciao, welcome! Welcome at Regale Ali Estate. So Regale Ali is an historical estate property of Tasca Dal Merita family since 1830, so more or less 200 years. An historical name also, Regale Ali. Regale Ali means from an Arabic word, Rahal Ali, the house of Ali. So Regale Ali Estate is like a monopoly, but is unique in Sicily, first of all for the position. We are just in the middle, in the north center of Sicily, in the middle of Contea di Sclafani DOC. So our vineyard starts at 400 meters above sea level to more than 900 meters. And in general, in the south of the world, when we talk about altitude, means, in terms of viticulture, means freshness. The skin will be more strong and then we will have more acidity. The other characteristic of Regale Ali is not only the altitude, but also the difference of soils, the composition of soils. So we have different kinds of soils like clay, limestone, sand, silt, blend of them. Now, just to show you everything about our wines, I want to introduce in our winery, in the cellar, where born our wines. Here we are in the old cellar where aged the Rosso del Conte. So this huge barrel of 6,000 and 3,000 liters Slavonian oak. So we use this huge volume just to use the micro-oxygenation to give elegance in the strong tannic substance of Nero d'Avola and Pericone, so the base of the assemblage of our flagship Rosso del Conte. So the winery is incredible for me. It's a good mix between old and new technology. For example, here we have 17 different concrete tanks. And the concrete today is very fashion again, but especially it's not only fashion, it's so useful, especially for the malolactic fermentation of red wines. Here at Regale Ali we have 2,000 barriques. So we have different kind of tonnellerie, but it's always French oak. Every year for our Rosso del Conte and Vigna San Francesco Cabernet Sauvignon, we use the new barrique with the wine aging for 18 months. After these 18 months, we use again the barrique for 14 months for an amazing blend, an historical blend, the Cygnius, Nero d'Avola and Cabernet Sauvignon. And then we continue to use the same barrique for other 12 months just for L'Amuri, a selection from my guilds of Nero d'Avola and our Guarnaccio Pericone. And the other characteristic, I think, believe me, unique, is for our Riserva del Conte is 500 liters chestnut, where our Riserva aging became the international amazing wine that's really talk about the place where you come from, Regale Ali Estate. Here we are just in the middle of the estate. It's incredible because all around us there are the historical Grandi Vigne of Regale Ali. Just in front of us we have the San Francesco vineyard. San Francesco is a hill of 13 hectares that's we divided into plots. 8 hectares topping the hill where the soil is clay with a good mix of sandy soil that's we dedicated to our Vigna San Francesco Cabernet Sauvignon. While in the bottom of the hill, the soil change, always with clay with a limestone subsoil. It's perfect to have wine for white variety, to have wine with body and structure. In that direction is the most romantic vineyard, and as a consequence, born there, the most romantic wine of the estate is the Nozze d'Oro, Golden Wedding. It's a wine that was dedicated from the Count Giuseppe Tasca to his wife to celebrate the 50th anniversary of their wedding. So, and this is the most famous red variety in Sicily, Nero d'Avola. It's incredible because Nero d'Avola is the most famous red variety But in a small continent like Sicily, when we talk about viticulture, so you have different characteristics from west, east, southeast and center. We are in the center. And here the Nero d'Avola is more full of anthocyanins, responsible for the color, and they have an amazing freshness. So here in the center of Sicily, we are able to create very fresh and versatile Nero d'Avola. It's a different way to drink this amazing variety, the king of red Sicilian variety, Nero d'Avola.